Going in to cut trees today, guys. Got lots to cut. Josh has been here since this morning. It's just after lunch and I'm rolling in. Hopefully I can give him a hand. We're gonna burn the small stuff today. Josh has the saw going right now and the fire is still burning. Here we go. Small trees are falling over there. Not sure if you saw that. He's working the saw. So Josh has been burning. Oh my gosh. He's taken down all these spruce trees. And he's still going. He's over there. Crazy how many trees he's cut so far, and you can really see that we've got a ways to go still. But we're gonna get there. The machine is reserved. Second week of May. Josh is gonna clean all of this up with the machine. I'm gonna go try and find him. I found him. Oh, it's hot. Goes. Woohoo! Okay, so just to give you an idea what we did today, I'm standing near the driveway, near where the garage is going to go. Josh cleared all the spruce trees back there. You can kind of see where the fire is. We burnt a whole heck of a lot today. So that's going to be kind of the yard on the other side of the house, and a little bit of the start of what is going to be our view from the big windows in the house. So he did some damage today. It's a lot of work. The fire's hot. The weather's nice though, and we're all smiles out here. Kind of nice, just Josh and I hanging out burning wood. So we're gonna put the fire out now, and we're likely gonna head out soon. All right guys, fire's out. Good day. Look at all that. Good dent. Josh has a sore back, so it's time to go horizontal on the couch. Ooh. Pothole there. So you can kind of see everything he did today. From the driveway it's hard to see because this big hump of snow kind of prevents you from seeing what he cut today. This big mound of snow right here. But yeah, this is what he added today to the clearing. So it's coming. All right, until next time.